Alright, day 18. Let's just jump right into it. What do we have now? Less than a week to Christmas? Where did time go? I know I've already complained about that several times during this series, but it's ridiculous. Alright, now we have some sort of like soapbox racer or something, it looks like, with a jump ramp. I don't know.
I probably can't see that because of the glare.
There you go. So let's go ahead and build it just like usual. There's still a lot of really interesting looking kits that haven't appeared yet, like the helicopter and the robot and the drill or whatever that thing is. But I guess we just gotta wait. Of course, number 24, we all know that's gonna be the Santa kit. There's no question about that. I just dropped the Lego on the floor. Give me a moment here. There we go. Alright, bring the focus back into the table. There we go. Alright, let's see what we've got here. We have, well, those will be for the wheels, so let's clip those together right away. Click, and click. Right, then we need a 2x3 plate. We're going to put one of the wheel things on the bottom. There we go. And then we're going to need the other wheel thing to go on the bottom. And then we're going to need this white 1x2 plate with the little thing on it. I don't know what those are called, but they're actually really cool. They're I had a kit that had, you know, something that would slide back and forth on the rails. It was pretty neat. Anyway, and then we need to put this pair of orange 1x4 or blue 1x4s like so. There we go. And then we need the orange 1x2 right here. And then the blue 1x2 brick. I think that's the first proper brick we've seen so far. Then we need this little center stud plate thing, and we're going to put one of these gray studs on there, like so. Then we need to take two of these like little windowy bits, and we're going to put one there, and we're going to put the other one there. And then this goes like this. So yeah, it's like a little RC car or something. And then last but not least, make the little jump ramp thing. And then on the picture it's like going like that. Sort of like that. Alright, well, that was day 18 of the LEGO Advent Calendar. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. If you'd like to learn what this thing is, click right here. Right here is going to be the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist, and right here will be a link to Patreon that you can use to help support the other stuff I do on this channel. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.